Alright guys, welcome back. I am in my Oracle VirtualBox. Let's continue with the next command. So our next command is cal command. That is for calendar. Last time I have shown you all the practicals in CLI. That is, I have cloned one VM from this, the command line interface. In this video, I will clone the GUI and show you the same thing, right? I'm suppose giving this cal. Any name you can give. This is the location and generate new MAC address. Go to next, full clone. Before getting into the topic, let me tell you one thing. Till now, if you have not downloaded the ISO file, that is Red Hat ISO, then you cannot do the practicals with me. So I suggest go to Red Hat, just a minute, Red Hat ISO, download. Go to here, Red Hat Enterprise Linux download. This is the official site of Red Hat. Create one account there. I am having my account, so just wait. Here you can see I need a subscription. We don't need. We can just download. I think yes, this is the download button. If you click here, they will ask to log in first. I have my account already ready. I'm logging within. Enter your password. After logging in or creating a new account, you have to verify your email ID also. This is the page where you can download RHEL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. I think it will start downloading automatically. I will cancel. See here, automatically download started. Just let me cancel. Cancel, I don't need. Okay. So this is one thing you can do, or else you can do one more thing, that is CentOS 8 ISO. You can also go with that. Download CentOS, first link. Here, click on this. I think this one. Just wait. Just go and read here. I think this will be the ISO. Yes, these are the links. You can click any of the link and download. Okay. So get the ISO and install as I have shown, and then start doing practicals with me. Very soon we will be doing some very interesting projects also. So my OS is ready, my VM is ready. I'm just starting it. Wait for a minute, it will be up. Enter. For big screen I am doing right control plus C. It is asking for switch. Yes, I want to switch. Getting ready. As this is GUI, so it's taking a bit long time than CLI. I always prefer working in CLI. When you will be compatible, you can do the same thing. Okay, so go to here, not listed, then click the username as root, then click on next, then give your password. Okay, the password was wrong, I think. Why I am putting wrong password? I think okay, let me enter with this. I think my password I forgot. Okay, so I'm logged in with the general user, that is KP, I think. Let's wait for a minute, it will come up. Yes, so my window has come up. Here you can see something about wire connection. The user is KP, and I think Wi-Fi is not required in this class, so I'm turning it off. Great. So you can go to activities, and there you can go to terminal. We can perform the same thing whatever we have done in the last session or last video, something like date command. Okay, so one more thing, if you want to see more about date, what options they support, or options are sometimes known as flag. What flag they support, you can use --help. It will show the entire list. You can just scroll up and see here, these are the options. A lot of options are there. Just go and explore yourself, do the practice and all. These are some flags or options supported. The usage is date, then option, then plus symbol with format. Okay, so now let's continue with cal command. Just let me clear the screen. Yes, so the cal command gives the calendar. See, this month is April and the year is 2021 and date is highlighted. Today is 29. Okay, so what else options are supported? We can see here cal --help. See here, these are the options, and you can scroll up where see options, then day, month, year, and timestamp or month name. These are the syntax or the options they support. Let me take you through some of the examples. Rest you can explore by yourself. If you want to see the calendar of full year, you can just press cal -y. -y is the flag or option. Entire year calendar will be there. See here, the year is 2021. January, February, March, April. The today's date is highlighted 29. Okay, and till December. Okay, then if you want to see the calendar of any particular year, you can see like cal 2020. Scroll up, you can see this is the calendar of 2020. You can just go and verify from your calendar, hard copy calendar. It is exactly the same. Okay, next, what else we can do? We can see something like there is an option cal -1. That is this current month and year. And if I put -2, let me check. Okay, -2 is not there. I think it is -3. Yes, -3. It means the current month, the previous month, and the next month of this year. -3 is the option and -1, not -2. Okay, got it. What else we can do? We can see the like particular month of a year. Suppose I want to see the May. May is 5th, cal 5. Which year? 2021. So they are showing May 2021. Okay, and suppose you want to highlight the date also, so I can put, suppose I want to see the which day, 1st of May. So 1st of May, this is May 1st and 2021. So it will be on Saturday. Okay, next what I can do, normally if you see cal, it will give the calendar of this month starting from Sunday, right? So the same thing you can do by -s also, starting from Sunday. But somewhere in some countries, I think or some places, the starting date is Monday. So how can you do that? Let me clear the screen. Yes, so you can use -m. See here, the calendar started from Monday, and if you do normal cal or cal -s, it is starting from Sunday. Okay, these are some basic options, and you can say flag regarding cal. And finally, if I show you the entire list, I can press history. It will show what I have used, what commands I have used recently. Okay, so this is the GUI, and same thing you can do with CLI, no issues. And that's all for this video. I'm going to terminate this OS as it is consuming more RAM and CPU as well as the storage. Just let me shut down it. Shutting down. And finally, I will remove it completely. Sorry, This is not settings. I want to remove. Delete all files. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. So in the next video we will see something more interesting. Thank you so much.